Restoration Temple of Deliverance presents RFCIII, Piercing the Darkness and Restoring the Glory, coming July 14th through July 19th. Apostle John W. Horn and First Lady Barbara Horn will host RFCIII, Restoration Family of Church Annual Conference 2013. You don't want to miss this one. This will be the gathering of the apostles. Come and be refreshed by the Restoration Family Conference Choir. Starting Sunday, July 14th, Restoring the Glory Conference Concert. Monday night, July 15th, Apostle John Horn. Tuesday night, July 16th, Apostle Robert L. Alexander Jr. Wednesday night, July 17th, Apostle Robert Moore. Thursday night, July 18th, Apostle David Simmons. Friday night, July 19th, Apostle Harold Rogers. The Restoration Fellowship pastors, their wives, and the entire Restoration family invites you to come and see what restoration looks like. Mark your calendar, July 14th through July 19th, 4312 Gillis Street in Austin, Texas. For more information, call 512-442-0264 or visit www.rtod.org. Piercing the Darkness and Restoring the Glory.